Before production starts, every batch is carefully checked for quality.
Every day, millions of potatoes enter this massive plant to begin an incredible journey. The process begins as fresh potatoes arrive from farms and enter the production line.
Powerful washing systems remove soil and prepare the potatoes for the next stage.
Advanced equipment scans and sorts the potatoes with incredible speed and accuracy. Next, the potatoes are peeled and prepared for their transformation into thin, crispy chips.
The fresh slices are rinsed to create the perfect texture before cooking.
Excess moisture is removed, so every slice can cook evenly and become perfectly crisp. Now the slices enter the heart of the factory, where heat transforms them into crispy chips. Within moments, the thin potato slices emerge, golden, light, and perfectly crisp.
The freshly cooked chips are cooled quickly to protect their perfect crunch.
Inside rotating drums, carefully measured seasoning gives every chip its signature flavor. Automated systems control every ingredient to keep the flavor consistent in every batch. Each finished chip now carries the texture, color, and flavor created by the entire process. Precision weighing systems measure the right amount for every bag. In seconds, each measured portion moves into the final packaging process. High-speed machines form and fill thousands of chip bags with incredible precision. Robots and automated systems prepare millions of finished bags for delivery. From this warehouse, countless bags begin their journey to stores around the world. What started as simple potatoes has now become millions of perfectly made chips. Behind every crispy bite is a remarkable journey of technology, precision, and production.